Hey guys, and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up an awesome Hot Wheels JDM release, the Mazda RX-7. This is a 2022 Hot Wheels from Hot Wheels J Imports. This is the recolor of the Mazda RX-7 in metallic red. Very cool, from 1 of 10 from Hot Wheels J Imports and 97 of 250 for 2022. This is the recolor from MCase, HCX24 is the number. Hot Wheels J Imports is a dream collection of Japanese domestic market vehicles and a 2021 copyright on this. And the first color of this is metallic blue with those muscle car 5-spoke wheels. Kind of a different release, but they're both from the same year, both the same collector number. This is just the recolor. This one is personally my favorite one. These cars have some nice weight to them. These have been around since 2011. This casting's been around, but this is the new recolor for 2022. Let's get it open here for you guys and check it out. And black plastic base with a nice old style base on the bottom there. Metallic red, very cool color. And we got gold lace wheels on this one, so very different wheels. And it'll spin very well, spinning very well. On this one, we have the muscle car 5-spoke wheels. And looks like they riveted this one a little bit different. Every car is pretty much different when they rivet them. So it looks like it's a little bit lifted, more lifted than usual. And we have gold striping on this one with Mazda in the front. Nice 90s style. I think this is like a 80s or 90s release of this Mazda RX-7. And yeah, it says Mazda RX-7 right on the bottom there. Very nice release. Different kind of designs and tampos on the bottom there. Nice 2-door sports car. Black interior. See inside there. The driving is on the right side. Pretty interesting. A nice splitter in the front. Mazda. And I think those are red stripes in with the gold ones. Here's the other side of it. Nice exhaust, single exhaust spoiler there. And there we go. Here's the taillights. And I'm tempted to say that this has, in the front, it kind of has a pink pearlescent. Not quite sure on that. But there you go, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I just opened up this 2022 Hot Wheels, the new color of the Mazda RX-7. Which one was your favorite? Please let me know down in the comment section below. Of course, my favorite's the blue one. Looks great in that blue color and the chrome rims. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.